So for the next video exercise, so you can use your stockpile. It's either you can have this one, okay, you can use this last surface that you have created, but I'll just use this one. At least this one will be a very good example. So still, I have here my contour lines, okay, CAD contour lines, okay, this one, okay. Let's say here we need to export. We have created the surface here by block points, right? Block reference points. Yeah. So what if we need every 25-meter or every 5-meter interval points? Sometimes the client requirement need this interval of 20 or 25-meter in the area points. Okay? For those who will use the stockpile, the interval you will use is 5 meter because this is a small area. Okay, so for here, for those who will use this surface, we will use 25 meters interval. Okay, so here, okay, we have an option here, points, and then create point surface. We have on grid. Okay, we can left click on this option, and then as you can see here, okay, in the command line, specify a grid base point. So how you can use this one is from left to right. Okay, I will select here, and then as you can see, grid rotation. So I don't need a rotation. I'll just say 0. Now you will place the interval. So this one will be 25 for this surface. Then enter. Specify the upper right portion. So we will create a rectangle. So make sure that this surface will be inside this upper right, okay, or in the rectangle. If I'll left click here, okay, then it will ask again, change the size or rotation of the grid. No, I don't want to change it. I'll select no, enter. Enter a point description. This is very important. We need to name this one, let's say, NGL EX. Okay, NGL existing. The next thing you will do is just hold your enter key. Okay, so as you can see here, automatically it will create points every 25 meter until it will go like that, meaning it finish. Now the next thing you will do is just create here a point group that will collect that new points that you have created. NGLX, right? Then okay, so sometimes if you will for me, if you will be using that points again, okay, or you will be we will be exporting the points to AutoCAD. I will go here, edit current selection. I'll go to marker. You have the option to use AutoCAD point marker. Okay, you can have the option to select this one so that when you export this file to Civil 3 to AutoCAD, the points you can have the option to convert it into a Civil 3D points. If you will just leave this one here, okay, if you will leave this one here or customize marker basic again, when you export this file to AutoCAD, it will explode and then again it will be a block reference. Okay, so it depends on us. So I will select this option, apply, okay. Okay, then apply. Let's say no problem, I'll just accept the default. Apply, okay. So now I will have this one, sorry, I did not name this one. This one will be NGL. Okay. Now you will have these points. So we can report it now as per this one. So instead of having that, having those block points which you cannot collect the data, or if you want to collect the data for this one, yeah, you can select ID. one by one. What if you have how many points? Okay, so still this one is almost, or you can do a checking. You can extract it here and then double check. It will be almost the same. Okay, so this one is by surface grid points. Okay.